video. Do you want to make a lot of money online just by completing simple tasks? Then I have got a great platform for you. From this platform you will be making a lot of money just by completing simple tasks. There are two ways to register on the platform. So the name of the platform is Callaway Golf. So to register by email, just enter your email password, enter password, leave the invitation code as it is, and then you have to give the verification code, and then you will click on sign up and you will be able to successfully register on the platform. To register by phone, all you have to do is to give your phone number, password, re-enter password. This invitation code will be already written, so leave it as it is, and then you have to give verification code, and then you click on sign up and you will be able to successfully register on the Callaway Golf platform. As I have already registered, I will just sign in. To sign in, just click on the sign in button, enter details and sign in. You can see that I have into the platform. You will be seeing this latest announcement page. Here you will be able to see that if you even register on the platform, you will get 4 USDT and the deposit is the 16 USDT. So here you will be able to see all the information about the platform, so you can read this very carefully. Here you can see that the level 1 can be VIP can be upgraded by only depositing 6 USDT, and your monthly daily income will be 1.5 and your monthly income will be 45. In the level 2, the stored value, you have to invest 26 USDT and your daily income will be 6.5 USDT and 195 is your total income. In level 3, if you invest 86 USDT, your income will be 21.5 and 645 USDT is your total. So I will be explaining all of this later as well. Here you can see the rebate information. For level 8 is 9%, level B it is 5%, level C it is 2%, and here you can then you click on I know. Here you will be able to see that here you will be able to see that you can see the interface of the app. You can see you can download the app from right here. You can recharge, withdraw, you can see the company profile. Here you will be able to see the task hall here as well, and here you will be also be able to see the member list and the people that are making money from this platform. As you can see, people are making a lot of money, and here you will be able to see the regular authorities here as well. So now let me first show you about the VIPs. So you for the VIP, just click on the VIP section. So here you will be able to see that this is our VIP level 1, which can be unlocked by the TEL, and the total profit will be 45 USDT. 1.5 is the total profit. In the VIP level 2, as I have already said, can be unlocked by 30. So here you can see all of their information as well. In the VIP level 3, which can be unlocked by 90, you can see the daily profit 21 and the total profit as well. In the VIP level 4, here you can see can be unlocked by 290. This is the 4171 is the total. In VIP level 5, if you invest 590, here you can see the 146. In VIP level 7 990, here you will be able to see the profit. Here you will be in the VIP level 7, if you invest 1890, your 471 is the total profit, and 14145 is the income. In VIP level if you invest 490, 1221 is the total profit, and there are total of 10 VIP level. Now let me first tell you how you can recharge, so that you will be able to unlock the VIP level. To recharge, you just have to click on the recharge button. Here you will be given multiple option. So I am selecting TRC 20 USDT. You can select BEP, anyone you like. Then you can use this QR code, or you can copy this recharge address and go to your wallet. After that, just click on the send button, proceed anyway, and select the USDT here if it is, and then paste the address of the website and enter the amount, which is the 6, and then just send the amount and click on the recharge complete button, and your recharge will be completed and your VIP will be unlocked. Now if we click on the VIP level, here you will be able to see that my VIP is unlocked, unlock effective it is written. So now congratulations, you have uploaded the VIP level. So now if you want to now complete the task, all you have to do is to click on the task button, or you can click on here from the task hall as well. So when you click on that, your task will appear. Here you can see when I click, now my task has been appeared and I have to complete it. You can complete it by clicking on the to complete button. So when I click on the to complete button, here you can see that it is loading. So now that means that the task is being completed. It will take some time and it is completed successfully. Now that we have completed the task, we can also withdraw. So to withdraw, you click on the withdraw button, so that I can show you the proof that this website is actually paying. So when you click on the withdrawal page, here you will be able to see the balance that you have earned, and now the withdrawal method is BEP20. So enter the amount right here, withdrawal address, which is the BEP20, and password, and click on confirm. Enter the detail and the password and the address, and then you click on the confirm button. So when you click on the confirm button, here you will be able to see that the withdrawal is being successful, and here you can see withdraw successfully message has been received. Now when I will receive the withdrawal, I will also show you. So the next way to make money from this platform is by using this team option. So when you click on this team option, here you will see that you will get your team code and everything right here. Here you will be able to see you will get your team code and everything. You can copy this code right here. Now all you have to do is to share this link with your friends and family, and when anybody will register through your link, you will be making a lot of money. So here you can see that here you will be able to see the team size, team recharge, team withdrawal, and new team, and everything will be given right here. Here you will be able to see all of the team level commissions that are available for the level 89 and 5 and 2% respectively, and you will be able to see the details of your team. This is the page where you will be getting all the information about your team and what is their current status and everything. So this is the way you make money from this platform. Still, if you have any problem, you can contact their customer care from right here, and they will be resolving all of your problems. So don't worry, if you have any problem in the problem of deposit, withdrawal, any problem will be solved by them. So this is the way you make money from this platform. So Callaway is Callaway Golf is a very great platform from where you will be able to make a lot of money. So now when I will receive the withdrawal, I will show you. Here you guys can see that I have received the withdraw of 1.5 USDT. Here you can see the amount has been transferred, and here you can see the date and time and everything right here. So this means that this website actually pays you a lot of money just by completing simple tasks. So I urge you to invest in the website. You will be making money like me. Hello guys, welcome back to another video.